Greetings and welcome to this talk on the best history of Islam. As we embark on this journey, let us first define what Islam is all about. Islam is a monotheistic religion based on the life and teachings of Muhammad, who was born in the 7th century AD. It is the second largest religion in the world, with over 2.8 billion followers. The history of Islam is a rich and diverse one, spanning over 750 years. It began with the establishment of the Islamic Caliphate in the 7th century, under the leadership of the Prophet Muhammad. The Islamic Caliphate ruled over a vast region that now includes modern-day Iraq, Syria, Egypt, Morocco, Algeria, and parts of Turkey and Asia Minor. Throughout its history, Islam has been a driving force behind cultural, political, and social advancements. One of the most significant aspects of Islam is its emphasis on peace and philanthropy. The teachings of Islam encourage Muslims to treat others with kindness, justice, and fairness. This has led to the establishment of many charitable organizations and humanitarian initiatives throughout the world. In the field of science and technology, Islam has produced some of the most brilliant minds, including Islamic mathematicians, astronomers, and engineers. Many of the world's earliest mathematical theories and scientific discoveries can be traced back to Islamic scholars. The architecture of Islam is another part of its history that shines brightly. From the awe-inspiring domes of the Islamic Golden Age to the stunning architecture of modern-day Muslim countries, Islam has left an indelible mark on the world of art and architecture. Finally, the history of Islam is also marked by numerous instances of greatness and resilience. Muslims have faced countless challenges, from wars and invasions to discrimination and prejudice. Yet, they have always risen above these challenges, demonstrating their determination to promote peace, justice, and equality. In conclusion, the best history of Islam is one of greatness, progress, and resilience. It is a religion that has shaped the world in countless ways and continues to inspire people around the globe to this day.